Hello, my dear students. Today starts with transaction states. Various states are there in the transaction. So basically, in some author accepts basically 5 steps are there, 5 states are there, or 5 phases are there. In some books, 6 stages or 6 phases are there, or 6 steps are there. So this is one active state, partially committed state, committed state, failed state, and aborted state. Up to this it is okay. And there is an additional, that is another one, that is terminated state. So that means after completion of this one, it should be terminated. It may be successful of transaction or it may be unsuccessful. So accordingly, so basically steps, one is active, another is partially committed, then failed, another aborted, basically this. A1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 states are there in your transaction. So what do you mean by that? This is the life cycle of the transaction state. That means during this execution of this or during the processing of this transaction, we must follow the 5 steps or 5 states. So these are the active state, partial committed state, failed, aborted, terminated. Now, one database is there, DB database. Now the transaction interact with this database. Basically, only 2 operations are performed on this database. One is read, another is write. Both read and write operations are performed on the database. Number of operations are there, arithmetic operation, logical operation, like that. But read-write operations performed on the database. That means data are retrieved from this database or store into, or change into some new data that is onto the database. That is write. Read and write, only 2 operations performed on the database during the transaction. And within this transaction, some other arithmetic operation, logical operations are also within this. Arithmetic operations are there, but on the database, only 2 operations are there. That is read and write operation. First. Now, this, suppose if one transaction is there, number of instructions are there. Within this, read and write operations, we consider this. Within this read and write operations. This is one transaction. During this execution of this transaction, number of instructions are there. Number of instructions. And at the time of this execution of these instructions, we say this transaction is in active state. That means it is on live position. That means it is in active state. Up to the end of this transaction, that all are the active states. That is, within this, some read and write operations are there performed on this database. So read-write operation, then it goes to the partially committed. What is that? Whenever we read some data from the database, it will be stored onto the buffer memory. Buffer memory. Some data read from the database to the buffer memory. Like previous example, A is 500 rupees. That means 500 is to be stored onto the buffer memory. That is read operation. After some performing some operation, A is equal to A of minus A minus 5. That is another arithmetic operation, but not performed on the database. That is another processing on the microprocessor, processor part, but not on the database. Now, this one is outside of this database. Only the database read-write operations are there. Then whenever we read or write onto this, that will be onto the buffer memory only. Now that up to this end of this execution, that is called come to this another state, that is partially committed up to the end, but not submitted, but not committed. Only execution up to the last instruction of this transaction. Last instruction of this transaction up to this, that is come to the partially committed. Then once execution completed at the end of this one is another statement, another is your commit statement. After this commit statement is there, commit statement. Then this some information change within this buffer memory. It may be changed to after deducting 5 rupees, 595. Now after committing this one, this 495 is to be stored onto the database. Previously it was 500. Now after committing this one, that is 495. That means 5 will be deducted from that one. This database changed to 500 to 495. That is permanent store, committed statements. Then within this, during this execution of this one, there may be failure. There may be failure up to read-write operation. After some read-write operation, there may be failure. That is failed. And before starting this, there may be failure. That is also failed. So failed is one state. If something is failed on the partial state or in active state, we must transfer to this another state, that is failed state. Once it failed state, it will roll back to this original one. That means aborted state. Roll back to aborted state. No, this is end of this one. After that, that will be terminated from this. Some books are not included this another state as the terminated state. So this basically five states are there in the transaction states: active, this, committed, aborted, failed, partially committed, and active states. Within this, you remember that during this execution of the transaction, that is always the transaction is in active position, that is active state, up to the end of this. Partially committed, only read-write operation, partially committed. Read-write operation, only partially committed. But this A is equal to A minus 5, it is not partially committed. Only this some operation, arithmetic operations are there. This is read-write operations are there, partially committed. And something within this, it will be stored onto this buffer memory. It will change into the buffer memory, but not change to the database. First, 500 is to be transferred onto this buffer memory. Then after this one, it will store onto this permanent store. That means again come to this one, that is one committed. Committed after this execution, this committed statement is there. Then that is committed. Then terminated this transaction, that means transaction is successful. If we move in this way or in this way, there is a failure. That means failed and aborted from this. It will roll back to this one. This is about this number of various states of this transaction in DBMS. Thank you.